Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's nail tutorial is just a simple cotton candy themed design, and this is with all colored acrylic. Usually this design is created with a ink nail polish, and so I am using the new Sassy colored acrylic powder. And I noticed that this came out probably a couple of months ago because when I went to the warehouse where I usually get my nail supplies, I didn't see this. So when I did ask about it, they told me it came out a couple of months ago. So I was actually surprised because usually I have been using the Mia Secret colored acrylic powder, and so I'm really glad that Sassy actually has their own colored acrylic powder because I do use the clear one a lot. So to create the cotton candy look, you do have to apply a white acrylic powder as a base, and then I applied the blue first. After I applied the blue acrylic, I actually diluted the powder with some monomer. So I'm actually going to kind of spread out the blue, but kind of remove most of the color off the nail. So quick review about this colored acrylic powder. I really like it because it actually lays really well. It doesn't set as fast as the other acrylics like Mia Secret. So this acrylic system is really good for beginners. So when I'm applying the pink isn't really as dark as the blue, but it's still the same technique because I don't want it to be a dark pink or a dark blue. So I do want it to have that faded look. So since this is the same nail design on all of my nails, I just repeated the same steps on all of the nails and then encapsulated the nail with a clear acrylic. When working with colored acrylic, you do have to be careful for the sidewalls because they can flood the sidewalls. The colored acrylic can flood the sidewalls, so you do have to be careful and just keep on wiping the sides before it sets. So after I'm done encapsulating the nails with the clear Sassy acrylic system, I'm just going to go ahead and file the sides and just sharpen up the shape. And then I'm going to use the top coat from LA Colors. And this top coat that I'm using from LA Colors is actually a quick dry top coat. And so I applied at least 3 coats to give it an extra shine. And I wanted to add it, in my previous video, I did give Sassy acrylic system kind of like a somewhat bad review when I had got a new jar. But I did say that after I applied the acrylic, it did generate some heat. And I noticed when I did use the colored acrylic powder, it didn't have that same effect. So I don't know if it was like just that bad batch of clear acrylic, but it hasn't it hasn't done the same thing. So I can say that it probably was a bad batch, but so far I haven't had that same effect. So I'm going to go ahead and let the rest of the video play out. I would like to welcome my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And stay tuned for the next video. Stay blessed.